Well, hey you guys, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. I'm going to come on here really quick because I am making a kind of unique lunch, and I just want to take you guys along because, well, it's pepper season, right? All the peppers are in season in your garden and everything, and sometimes we have so many peppers we don't know what to do with them. I'm going to show you what I do with my pasilla peppers and sometimes my hatch chili peppers. So I've got 4 hatch chili peppers so far right here. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use my pasilla pepper, and right now I have it roasting in my air fryer, and I will show you that. I'm going to roast all of the sides, and then I'm going to take it out, put it in a Ziploc bag, and let it sweat, and remove all of the peel and everything, and then we're going to just stuff it with cheese. And since I have to use my green sauce that was entered in the fair, I'm going to add some of this green sauce to it. And we're just going to have a super easy lunch. So, and then I also picked these tomatoes from the garden this morning. So I'm probably just going to do like a little side salad with it. Just a super easy lunch. So I just wanted to take you guys along. So let's get that pepper roasted and then I'll bring you back. Okay, so here is our pasilla pepper all roasted. I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag. We're going to let it sweat for a couple of minutes, then we're going to peel it. Okay, it's in our Ziploc bag. We're just going to fold it over like that and just let it sit here and sweat for about 10 minutes so that the peel is easily taken off. Meanwhile, I have grated some Monterey Jack cheese and some cheddar cheese. Normally, I would use some Mexican cheese with this, some queso ranchero, something along those lines. Whatever you can get. The melty Mexican cheese is really good with this, but Monterey Jack works the same way, mozzarella works the same way, but the Mexican cheese, if you can get it, is the best. And then just mix it with some cheddar cheese. Okay, so I've just taken the pepper out, and all we're going to do, I'm going to try to do this one-handed, you're just going to start to scrape. See how that comes right off of there? You want to sweat it enough so it comes right off. It just peels right off. I'm going to take all of that skin off of there. So I'm going to do that, and then I will be back. And you want to do all around the pepper, all the skin. Okay, so there we go. So make sure that if you have contacts, like me, that you use gloves. So I completely forgot, and I have used my hands to do this. But you definitely want to use gloves or something if you're going to be touching your face or anything like that, because these do get hot, especially if you're going to use a hatch chili pepper, because these are, even if you get the not spicy or the medium, they are still spicy. But I will tell you, these are delicious with hatch peppers. This makes a great side dish, you guys. So I am just going to take the seeds out and cut it down the middle, and then I'll be back. Okay, so now that I have taken all of the seeds out, and the way I do this is just rinse it underwater, just open it up like this, rinse it very gently under cold water, and then all I do is I start to add the cheese. So we're just going to add some cheese, mix it in there, just like that, and we're going to mix a little bit of each cheese. And like I said, you guys, this is a great side dish. So there is a restaurant that serves this, and they charge $16 just for a stuffed pasilla pepper. And granted, they are delicious, but so easy to make at home. And pasilla peppers are, when they're on sale, you can get them for like 20 cents each. So yeah, that and the cost of cheese, it's really not that much. So great side dish. Great side dish. And like I said, try these with your hatch chili peppers. They are now at your grocery stores. If you are one of the lucky ones, we have ours. In fact, I'm going in just a little bit to get some more, because every year I freeze some and then I can some. These babies are my favorite pepper, besides pasilla. These are my next favorite. So all we're going to do now is we're going to cover it up. And then I'm going to put it back in the roaster and let it heat up, melt the cheese thoroughly. You can also put this in the microwave, and then I'm just going to put some green sauce on it. And there you have it, you guys. So a roasted pasilla pepper with cheese inside and green sauce on top. And if you want, you can put a little bit more cheese on the top. Excellent side dish. Great idea. And the way I did it, you can roast them, skin them, and put the cheese in them, and then put them in food saver bags and freeze them just that way. Take them out, and then you have them ready to put in your air fryer or oven or even your microwave. And it's ready for a side dish or even a lunch like this. Thanks for watching, you guys. The word of the day today for the giveaway is going to be peppers. Let me know how you use your peppers and what peppers you're growing this summer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys soon.